Xenia Gordienko here locally in the west coast of Canada from ETRO Construction. Over 15 years of experience. Xenia brings with her abundance of expertise in virtual design and construction, background in computer science and architectural design. She jump-started her career into testing 3D software, evolving her skills into coordinating and developing complex construction visualizations. She's worked on projects upwards of $1 billion, has a lengthy resume of projects spanning healthcare, facilities, infrastructure projects, and commercial buildings. Since joining ETRO as VDC manager, Xenia has been responsible for developing and implementing BIM strategies and standards across our projects. ETRO Construction is Western Canada's fastest growing construction company, whose goal is to build what matters tomorrow, today. Without further ado, Xenia, here we go.
Thank you very much. Yeah, so ETRO is exactly a Vancouver-based company, and for today we have 60 employees. We have residential, commercial, small and middle-sized projects. Right now we have 8 pre-construction projects, 17 running projects, and how you said, we are very young. ETRO was founded 5 years ago, and for 2021, our project volume is 100 million. And we are well known. What is the difference between us and the rest, right? We are well known as a lean and very tech-forward company. We are a very efficient company with a small number of employees, and but the people are always first. This is exactly not the technology, but the people. And today, before I'm sharing with you our current project, I would like to highlight troubles of virtual design and construction and how exactly cmBuilder help us in these challenges. There's a 4 for me. This first one, it's adaptation of the new technology. How you know, we have some older generation, some younger generation, and everyone has their own challenges and ideas how the technology should help, right? And I would like to invite you and go back in the past, how it was in the past before all big computers and software came. Superintendent, the most intelligent person, arrived at the site, right, to see what is going to happen. What is going to happen? He's taking his little sketchbook and creating location of the site, where is going to be our assembly areas, where is our truck is coming on, and exactly this sketch was used further on sites, right? For any modification, it was recreated a sketch, but then AutoCAD arrived, right? And now the superintendent has this chance to take his sketch and give it to somebody who will bring it in the nice lines, right, in the colors, and have a better presentation. But guys, here is it. We're starting to have this gap between site person who is carrying the knowledge and somebody who is expert in some software, right? Here is the knowledge, and here is the executive tool. And whatever is happening in the process of the pre-construction or construction on this logistics plan, it means that this person who is carrying the knowledge has to go to a person who is carrying the knowledge in AutoCAD. And I don't know in your organization, but where I've worked in the past, it was 2 separate divisions, and the person who was on site haven't even had licenses for some special expensive and yeah, expensive is the key, AutoCAD or Revit licenses, right? And now technology has been developed, thanks God, and finally we got tool like a cmBuilder. For me, it's exactly the God blessing, where we and I have the possibility to give this tool to somebody who doesn't need the special expertise and long educational process like in Revit and AutoCAD, and dive deep into this. So many people before me already mentioning how fast and easy it is, intuitive. And we had as well this great Pedro session for 2 hours where you're like already expert in cmBuilder. And back to our guy who has exactly the right tool for his knowledge. Expertise can be expressed immediately without this third party. And about new generation, I don't know about your organization, but new generation, in my opinion, don't want to do anything without playing. And cmBuilder looks like a game, and so they're jumping directly on it. My second challenge, it's less of a challenge, but you will understand what I mean. It's exactly how all these construction documents can be understood quicker, how we are helping us to speed up our thinking processes. And even though we have all these beautiful drawings, exactly 2D, and as well in cmBuilder, you are jumping every time in the 2D view, but it's exactly this analysis of the plan view and section and creating your own movie in your head, where here you have exactly this 3D. And why virtual design construction and why logistics plan in cmBuilder? Just because we understand things faster. Our human world is 3D world. We understand 3D quicker. I'd like to share a couple of pictures just created for you. My colleague Eric, project coordinator on the Davis Street Berkeley Tower, created this. So this picture was done from drone, and this is the picture from a screenshot from the cmBuilder. And later I will share with you a picture from this side with a Kootenai, where exactly excavation is right now in progress. Picture and reality, that's what we build, what we see, right? So by having a 3D, we are avoiding any miscommunication, misunderstanding. And that's exactly the second challenge, how you can avoid all these misunderstandings, right? The third one is, if we're speaking about 3D and virtual design and construction, is of course access and data flow. Javier was mentioning that before, and this is exactly why cmBuilder for me. I'm not longer counting licenses for experts, right? Everyone in ETRO has admin rights. Everyone is added to this, and yes, you don't need a higher education to navigate through. This is the key. And think through, like how many times you have been in a project where it was a 3D model, but only limited number of people had access to it. So for me, cmBuilder is as well a viewer, direct access, everything online based. And fourth one, it's Emma was as well mentioning just the effort which we are bringing into all this VDC stuff. And particularly if we're speaking about pursuit and pre-construction services, we don't have time, we don't have money at the end of the day to invest in all these fancy renderings. We have to have something what will benefit our site, what will clarify our issues for us, and exactly, once again, avoid misunderstandings. So for me, it's exactly how much time I spend on cmBuilder and how much time I will spend on the 4D visualization by using Revit, Navisworks Simulate, or Synchro, right? Even though they can create other level of details. So I will, for the pursuit, let's say, project which I'm working on in cmBuilder, I can, in the project which I can accomplish in 3 hours, I will do I will sit for sure for 3 days by using different software. And that's exactly where I'm saying yes, because this effort is just like too much for me and we don't have this time. And this in the end, we have right tool for the right people, right? We have this 3D world, our absolutely normal human world where we don't need to analyze all these drawings. And I'm convinced that this is the future. This data access that everyone can see, everyone can navigate, and this VDC effort. In the end, for us human beings, we can focusing exactly on the things which really matter, and of course, increase our productivity and efficiency. Now, I would like to share with you a project that we are working on right now. I personally found this challenging because we have actually 2 projects in the same time. So it's the same client, but it's 2 buildings, 2 slots. It's a 15 stories mixed use rental tower with 2.5 because of the slope park gate, special for Paul, as a parking levels there. And so here altogether about 72 millions on this both. Just started from in June and would like to guide you through our vision in the excavation area, how we are simulate and sequence in excavation. So site is typical city site, I would say. High traffic road is testing. We have as well high voltage power line close to our construction, which will come here. This is the building which will be demolished, or is it already demolished? And we found good office in the old bridal salon close to site. Busy corner, this is bus loop, and this is the bus stop with multiple buses, so many pedestrian around. Safety is very important on this side. And here we have just one family residential houses. If we are jumping to June. Yeah, I will just guide you through of our excavation, where we started as well thinking how we can as soon as possible install crane, right? Demolishing on one corner of the street and lifting, excavating on the other. Yeah. So, I think it's very self-explanatory what's going on. I don't want to read the notes. I think it's exactly, so the idea is what is going to happen on the both sides, right? Where we are on one corner and where we are on the other, and what kind of equipment machines we will need on site in certain times. August, and then so it's exactly built right now. You can see, and our projection for the future. So estimation at the end of September, we have our crane installed and moving forward with our detailed planning, detailed excavation here. September, and oh, it was the end of September. Okay, never mind. Just October. I try to navigate actually around the site to show you different areas which are exactly significant and a certain point. So exactly in October, estimation is that we will have our foundation and underground services in progress. And in November, first slab on grade, this is the plan. And then further on, there's there and boundary street and the boundary building, crane foundation should be done as well. Yeah, so this is exactly our progress. I think it's a lot to figure it out for us on the steps. And personally, if I'm working in cmBuilder, I'm noticing many things which I'm not noticing working on 2D. Like third dimension really helps. Yeah, that's what I would like to share with you from ETRO construction today. Thank you very much for listening.
Amazing, amazing. Thank you so much, Xenia. That was great. And what a great use case on that current project. Thanks for sharing that.